How to disable Face ID on IG trading. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to disable Face ID on IG trading so that you can log in using a password instead, here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open the IG trading application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the account button. Inside the account tab, scroll down and tap on settings. Inside the settings menu, scroll down and look for Face ID authentication. Toggle off the switch right next to Face ID authentication to turn it off. In the pop-up, click on remove and this will scan your Face ID and the Face ID authentication will be deleted or removed. Now your account will rely on manual login instead of biometric access. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.